We all want to give our kids the best. More toys, better schools, better coaching, sports classes, brighter futures. Today's childhood isn't as carefree as it used to be. Schedules are packed, expectations are high, and even little hearts feel the weight. In trying to give them everything, we sometimes forget what they really need: simplicity, calm, and connection. Here are 7 simple, practical, and science-backed steps to give your child the gift of stillness, of clarity, of a truly happy childhood. 1. Create safe routines. Children feel safe when life is predictable. A set routine helps them trust the world and themselves. It's not about rigidity, it's about rhythm. A simple, good morning song, story before bed, these small rituals say, "You're safe, you belong." 2. Limit their choices. Too many choices confuse little minds. For a child, too many choices feel like pressure. Give fewer, simpler options, and watch their confidence grow, because clarity brings confidence. 3. Name their feelings. Children don't always know what they feel, and that's okay. Instead of reacting, pause. Help them label their emotions. Ask them, "Are you feeling upset?" Or, "You seem frustrated," or, "Are you feeling sad?" That small step of naming the emotions builds emotional strength for life. 4. Let them be bored. Boredom isn't a problem, it's a portal. That silence you're always tempted to fill with screens or work, that's where imagination breathes and confidence grows. 5. Declutter their space. Too many things can make their world feel loud. Fewer toys, fewer clothes, fewer distractions mean more calm, more focus, more clarity, and more joy. 6. Be their calm. You are their emotional mirror. If you breathe through the chaos, they'll learn to do the same. Your calm teaches them how to find theirs. When you stay grounded in their storm, they learn how to face emotions without fear. 7. Say no with love. Boundaries don't hurt children. Confusion does. Saying no doesn't make you a bad parent. Saying no with love gives them emotional structure, something they'll thank you for one day. Boundaries actually show them the edges of the world, where safety lives. Your child doesn't need a perfect parent. They need a present one. Simplify their world, speak the emotional language, and raise kids who feel seen, heard, and safe. This way their hearts can stay light and their smiles persistent and real. This is what we believe in at Simplify and Grow, because a simpler life is where real growth begins.